Welcome to my YouTube channel. Attention, future cadets. If you want to join our paid preparation group, contact us now on the WhatsApp number showing on your screen. From today, start your preparation seriously and focus on your selection. Please note, I will only show you the questions on screen, but the answers you must find yourself. This way, your preparation will be much stronger. Now let's begin. If you are preparing for PMA Long Course 157, this video contains the most tough and repeated MCQs that are frequently asked in PMA and ISSB exams. Watch carefully, attempt each question, and check your knowledge like a true cadet. If you found these questions helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe for more PMA and ISSB preparation videos. Keep practicing, stay focused, and remember discipline and hard work are the keys to success. Best of luck for your PMA 157 long course journey. See you in next video. Allah.